Elon Musk does it again. But this time, it's different. No hype, no grand promises, just a sudden, almost secretive launch of Grok AI. What is it? Why does it exist? And is it really rebellious as Musk claims? The truth is much deeper than you think. This isn't just another ChatGPT rival. This is Elon Musk's direct challenge to the AI establishment. But here's the real question. Is Grok AI truly revolutionary or just another billionaire's power move? Let's dive deep. First thing first, what is even Grok? Officially, it's an AI chatbot from Musk company XAI, designed to understand the universe. But unlike ChatGPT, Bard Grok, it's one difference: integrated directly into X, formerly Twitter. While ChatGPT avoids controversial opinions, Grok is marketed as anti-woke with a sarcastic, rebellious tone. Musk even says it is modeled after Hitchhiker's Guide to Galaxy, funny, bold, and unfiltered. But here's the real catch. Is it just a marketing gimmick or actually does Grok have something new under the hood? To understand Grok, we need to rewind. In 2015, Elon Musk co-founded OpenAI, claiming AI was humanity's biggest threat. But in 2018, he left over differences. Fast forward to 2023, OpenAI dominates AI with ChatGPT while Musk sues them, accusing them of abandoning their original mission. His problem? He believes current AI is too censored. So Grok is his answer and AI that tells like it is. But is that really a good thing? Here's where things get dangerous. An AI trained on Twitter data, a platform filled with misinformation, hate speech, and conspiracy theories, could become a nightmare. Imagine asking Grok about vaccines, elections, or climate change, and getting answers based on viral tweets rather than facts. This isn't just speculation. Early testers reported Grok making political jokes and dodging hard facts. So while Musk calls it free speech, critics warn it's a recipe for AI-powered propaganda. But Grok isn't just about chatbots. Musk is building an AI empire. Tesla, self-driving AI, Neuralink brain chips, and now XAI. His goal to create an AI that aligns with his vision of future. The scary part, if one man controls AI this powerful, he will decide what truth he will follow. It's just about a scarky chatbot who controls the most powerful technology in human history. So is Grok a revolutionary or reckless? It's both. It challenges AI censorship but risks amplifying misinformation. It's innovative but controlled by one of the most unpredictable billionaires. What do you think? Let's discuss in the comments. And if you found this video deep insightful, don't just like video, smash that subscribe button because the future of AI isn't just coming.